What's the meaning of Calamity Jane? Calamity Jane. Calamity Jane.
Calamity Jane. Calamity Jane. Calamity Jane is a nickname given to Martha Jane Canary, who was a frontierswoman known for her adventurous spirit and involvement in various Wild West tales. The term has since become synonymous with someone who is reckless, volatile, or constantly finding themselves in problematic situations. It can also imply a disregard for social norms and expectations. Being dubbed Calamity Jane is not necessarily a desirable reputation, but it reflects a fierce independence and a willingness to take risks. Ultimately, the term represents a unique and often misunderstood individual who defies easy categorization.